Good day, everyone, and welcome to Naipalad Hideaway. My name is Faith and Fernando, and I am your receptionist, and it's an absolutely pleasure to have you with us. Here at Naipalad Hideaway, we believe in creating an unforgettable experience tailored just for you. Whether you're here to unwind, explore, or celebrate, our team is dedicated to making every moment truly special. Let me assist you with your check-in and introduce you to the unique offerings we have here. If there's anything you need or would like to plan during your stay, please don't hesitate to let us know. Naipalad Hideaway, a luxurious eco-resort nestled on the stunning Siargao Island in the Philippines, boasts a rich history interwoven with the island's natural beauty and the spirit of its people. The resort journey began in 2012, founded by Bobby Dekisir, the founder of the renowned outdoor furniture company Dizon and the Lampert brothers. Services in Naipala Hideaway, an all-inclusive experience. The accommodation. The resort featured 9 unique villas, each showcasing Naipala Hideaway's craftsmanship and offering a blend of indoor and outdoor living. Choose from deluxe villas with unbeatable ocean views, superior family villas for larger groups, or the spacious Ferla Villa for ultimate luxury. And dining. Enjoyed a culinary journey with daily changing menus featuring fresh locally sourced ingredients. Lunch is served family style in the relaxed pool, hot, or as a picnic on a nearby island. Dinner is a more romantic affair with options for dining on the beach. And the lantern lit gardens or by the fire pit. The resort's central bar, crafted from trademark fiber, offers a range of cocktails and drinks. The activities. Explore the surrounding area with complimentary bicycle, engage in non-motorized water spots like kayaking, stand-up, paddleboarding, and snorkeling. Or relax by the sleek infinity pool with stunning ocean views. The resort also offers daily yoga classes, cooking lessons, and the opportunity to explore nearby islands. Spa. Indulge a variety of spa treatments in the serene spa huts, offering a tranquil escape. In our hotel, we also have products. Naipalad Hideaway is also known for its commitment to sustainability and local craftsmanship. They incorporate these values into their products, which are often made with natural materials and support local communities. Here are some examples of products you might find at Naipalad Hideaway. The number one is the locally crafted furniture and decor. The number two is the organic produce. Naipalad Hideaway has an organic farm where they grow fresh herbs and vegetables which are used to their delicious farm-to-plate cuisines. We also have a compostable product. The resort actively promotes sustainability by using compostable products like biodegradable plates and cutlery, reducing waste and promoting environmental consciousness. Facilities and amenities. Our accommodation. We have villas. The resort features 9 unique villas, each showcasing Naipal Highway craftsmanship and offering a blend of indoor and outdoor living. Choose from deluxe villas with unbeatable ocean views, superior family villas for larger groups, or spacious villa for ultimate luxury. On-site activities and amenities. Private beach. Enjoy the pristine sands and crystal clear waters on the resort private beach. Outdoor cinemas. Relax under the stars and enjoy a movie night at the resort's outdoor cinema. We also have water sports. Engage in non-motorized water sports like kayaking, stand-up, paddleboarding, and snorkeling. Games Pavilion. Challenge your friend and family to a game of ping pong or table football in the Games Pavilion. Bike to borrow. Explore the surrounding area on complimentary bicycles. Gyms. Stay fit and the workout at the resort's well-equipped gym. Library. Curl up with a good book and the cozy library. Our room types. The first is the ocean view. It has beach view, 2 bedrooms, 2 king beds, and 3 sofa beds. Superior family garden view. Has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathrooms, and the occupancy of the villa accommodate 3 adults or 2 adults and 3 children. The third one is the Coral Family Villa. It has 2 bedrooms connected with a private terrace, 2 bathrooms, and indoor lounge with a home cinema. The fourth is the Perla Villa. It has 2 master bedrooms, 1 double bedroom, and 3 bathrooms and indoor lounge. The villa has an indoor lounge that can be converted into a single bedroom if needed. Our deluxe ocean view villa. This villa offers stunning ocean views and is priced approximately 50,000 per night for up to 4 guests. Our Coral Family Villa. The villa features 2 bedrooms with king-size beds and can accommodate up to 6 guests. It's priced at around approximately 50,000 per night. Superior Family Garden View Villa. This is also suitable for families accommodating up to 4 guests. It is priced at around approximately 33,000 per night. Our Perla Villa. This luxurious villa is the most spacious option accommodating up to 9 guests. It is priced approximately 85,000 per night. Our packages, starting from 89,208 per night, this is the lowest price we offered for stay at Nai Palad Hideaway. Our average price is 220,101 pesos, 185,174 pesos. This is the average price for a weeknight stay. We also have package prices. You can find packages for 4 days and 3 nights from Manila, which include round-trip flights, accommodation, meals, activities, and airport transfers. These packages can start from around 185,175 pesos per person.